So you're interested in a kitchen remodel, right? Well, how do you know if kitchenCRATE Classic is right for you? Well, here's a couple ways to know. So the first thing I want to point out is kitchenCRATE Classic was our original flagship product. We launched it back in 2012. We've had some great success with renovating homes between 15 and 45 years old. Now, the biggest difference between kitchenCRATE Classic and kitchenCRATE Custom is with Classic, we actually use your existing cabinet boxes. So really it's perfect for you if your cabinets are in good shape, if you like the layout of your kitchen, but you just want a remodel that's going to give you another 15 to 25 years of enjoyment in your existing kitchen layout. So some key elements of kitchenCRATE Classic that make it a hit: it's a great value. There's a mid 90% return on investment for kitchenCRATE Classic. Also, it's a very quick turnaround. We're able to do these projects in just a few weeks and deliver a complete turnkey process. I'm talking design, fixture selection, pre-construction, permitting, construction, closeout, you name it, is part of the turnkey kitchenCRATE process. So if you're interested in kitchenCRATE Classic, if you think it's a good fit for what your needs are, just scroll on down on this page. You'll see all sorts of information, videos, before and afters, you name it. We'd love to talk with you about your kitchenCRATE Classic.